Hi Ishal.
Yes, Era.
Hey, did you know how recycling plastic actually works?
Yeah, I'm curious about that too. I mean, we put it in the recycling bin, but then what?
I think they take it to a recycling center where they sort it all out. Like separating the different types of plastic.
That's so cool. But what can we recycle?
Lots of things. Like plastic bottles, aluminum cans, paper, and cardboard. Some cities even recycle things like glass and electronics, too.
Got it. What happens to the things we recycle?
Oh, let me tell you about the whole process of recycling.
That's good, I'm excited to find out.
This is the full recycling process of plastic waste.
The recycling process of plastic waste typically involves several steps: 1. Collection, 2. Sorting, 3. Cleaning, 4. Shredding, 5. Melting and extrusion, 6. Remanufacturing, 7. Distribution, 8. End-of-life management.
I don't understand it properly, can you explain it to me?
Human society consumes and disposes of any product. Waste collection companies collect it in one place. The main objective of a waste collection strategy is to collect waste in a timely and efficient manner, separating waste as accurately as possible.
So how is this waste separated, in how many ways?
Waste insulation is identifying, classifying, dividing, and sorting waste and waste products in trouble to reduce, recycle, and recover stuff. If you collect waste, you may need to set up separate collections of waste for paper, plastic, metal, glass. This means collecting these 4 wastes individually from each other and other wastes.
So where does this waste go, and who collects it?
Many different holders and vehicles are used for waste collection and transfer. Primary collection takes waste from where it's produced to a transfer station. Secondary collection is when it's moved from the transfer station to the last treatment or scrapping point.
Yes, I heard my brother was telling that local and municipal governments are responsible for collecting waste. About 60–70% of solid waste in the cities is collected. The waste collection line generally consists of handcarts and donkey pull wagons for primary collection, also open trucks, tractor/trolley systems for secondary collection and transport. Some municipalities hire road sweepers and sanitary workers to compound other collection methods.
Factory waste is any waste produced from industrial activities, such as manufacturing. Many factories produce high volumes of different waste types and demand a variety of boxes for safe and secure storehouses. Every piece of plant and storehouse waste must be rightly disposed of. Failing to do so can harm both mortal health and the terrain, especially with any dangerous waste. After the free bins arrive at a chosen location, fill them up with the agreed waste type.
Yes, I have heard that methodologies of storehouse and factory waste disposal also vary depending on the type of raw material.
Yes, Ishal, the process of waste management involves treating solid and liquid waste. During the treatment, it also offers a variety of solutions for recycling items that aren't categorized as trash. Name many strategies for waste disposal. Landfill, incineration, waste contraction, composting, vermicomposting, open dumping is the most common method of waste disposal.
With the demand for faster and more effective recycling technology showing no signs of abating, the request for double-quick, more effective shredding stuff is of course on the up. Waste is a valuable material. Whether marketable waste, husky or household waste, product rejects and paper, external waste, wood remainders, and carpet materials ensure high-throughput waste shredding and an optimal result in the extraction of valuable secondary powers.
The materials reused in recycling serve as backups for raw materials obtained from similar decreasingly scarce natural coffers such as petroleum, natural gas, coal, mineral ores, and trees. Recycling can help reduce the quantities of solid waste deposited in landfills, which have become increasingly expensive. Recycling also reduces the pollution of air, water, and land performed by waste disposal.
There are several styles for collecting recyclables, including curbside collection, drop-off centers, and deposit or refund programs. Recyclable materials include multiple kinds of glass, paper, cardboard, metal, plastic, tires, fabrics, batteries, and electronics. The composting and other reuse of biodegradable waste similar to food and garden waste is also a form of
recycling, recovering, and processing waste materials for use in new products. The basic phases in recycling are the collection of waste materials, their processing or manufacture into new products, and the purchase of those products, which may also be recycled. Typical recycled materials include iron and steel scrap, aluminum drums, glass bottles, paper, wood, and plastics. More and more of today's products are being manufactured with recycled content. Common household items that contain recycled materials include the following: newspapers and paper towels, aluminum, plastic, glass, soft drink containers, steel cans, plastic laundry, and detergent bottles.
Yes, and then the same process begins. After using the recycling materials, they go into the dash bin. From there they are taken, all the waste is collected, and then they are sorted and broken into small pieces. It goes into a crusher machine and crushes them. Then it becomes a plastic granule, and from that granule it is remolded and the product is made. Then it comes to the market, and after it comes to the market we use it, and the cycle continues. This is the process of recycling. Thank you, Era.
Welcome, dear.